Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to use the EPIK photo editing app for some face cleaning. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be going into our EPIK app right here. If you don't already have this app, then just go right ahead and download this in the App Store or in the Play Store. Now what we're going to do is let's go ahead and start editing right here. And then just go ahead and choose an image which you want to adjust. So let's choose this one right here. And then under the portrait right here, as you can see, we're going to be gliding to the right until we can see the skin right here. Now once we're under the skin itself, just go ahead and play around with all of this. So as you can see, there are a lot of options that you can go ahead and do. So let's take a look at blemish. If we take that on, there's now a lot of changes that you can see. But what we can do is let's go on tone right here, and then if you wanna add a cooler look, you can go ahead and do so. Or if you want a warmer look, you can go ahead and do so as well right there. And if you want a more tan or a more lighter, then you can go ahead and do that as well. Now go ahead and play around again with all of this. So there's vibrance, there's matte, there's texture, there's glow. And then if you want to go ahead and remove some potential eye bags, you can go ahead and remove that as well. And that is pretty much it. This is what you can go ahead and do and use to go ahead and play around with some face cleaning. So again, there is no one perfect solution, so just go right on ahead and play around with one that suits your liking. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.